Setting up Wi-Fi through the Raspberry Pi OS is relatively straightforward. First thing you'll need to do is connect a display device as well as a keyboard and mouse. If you have a combination keyboard and mouse, that's great. If not, and you're using a Pi 0 or a Pi 3A Plus, as is on the preloaded unit, you will need a USB hub so that you can connect two different USB devices, one being the keyboard, one being the mouse. How you set up the USB doesn't matter to this video, but it just matters to how you're able to actually get it done. So when you add power to the system, what you need to do after you have connected the display, because the Raspberry Pi OS will save power by not utilizing the display if there's not utilizing the HDMI if there's not a display connected. So once you connect power, it'll boot up, and then you can log in with the username of GenmonPi, and the default password is Raspberry, all lowercase. After you log in, you'll need to give it just a moment to finish booting up all the way. Once it finishes booting up, you'll see a screen similar to this. In the top right corner, you'll have the network icon, and when you click on that, you'll be able to choose a network and then put in your network key, and then you press connect, and then after a few seconds you'll see the network icon stabilize and flash, and at that point you are on your network. It will also show your default or your initial IP address, and then you're good to go. If you're at this point, you should be done and able to move it out to your generator, but I always recommend that you do a shutdown and not just pull the power plug. And you can do that by clicking the log out button, which will then give you this menu of shutdown, reboot, or log out. Just choose shutdown, and then the operating system will shut down, and the Raspberry Pi has a green light that will go out, and then it is fully shut down and it's safe to unplug the power.